Hey there everyone, Shepard's back with another video. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can start a YouTube channel just using your phone. So without further ado, let's get started. Before starting the video, if you guys are new on this channel, please subscribe and support us. Don't forget to click on the bell icon and enable the notifications by clicking all. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a YouTube channel just using your phone. So let's start it. First of all, take your phone and go to Google Chrome. Once you have that, go to youtube.com. Once you have on the mobile site, click on the three-dot line menu at the right top corner and click on desktop site. Now it's gonna show you just like a desktop. Now at the top right corner, you can see a sign in button. Now click on the sign in button and log in with your Gmail ID. Now choose your Gmail ID and password and log in into the YouTube. Once you're logged in, top right corner, click on the icon and click on settings. Okay, once you click on the settings, it's going to take you something just like a page like this one. So if you have a channel, it's gonna show you something just like that, or if you don't, now choose the second option, add or manage channels. Now from here you will see all of your channel and you have an option to create a new channel. Now you can choose the first option to create a new channel. Once you click on the add button, it's going to take you into a new page with you want to give the name for your channel. As you can see here on the fill in box, you want to give a name for your channel. Once you have given your name, click on create and it's gonna take you to create your YouTube channel. So as you can see, it's coming back and my channel is successfully made. I have created my YouTube channel. Now from here you can click and manage many options. Now from here, click on customize channel and it's going to take you a page like this. Now request for the desktop side and it's going to take you into the creator studio. So congratulations, you are now a creator if you upload one video. Now click OK and you can see some customizing settings here. Now from here you can customize your layout. Most importantly, click on the second option, branding. From here you can change your logo of your channel just from here clicking the button. And the second, you can add a channel banner, and thirdly you can give other information. In the basic information you want to give the description, channel name. If you have a social media you can link it and you can also add your Gmail ID. So in the next video we're going to show you how to verify your YouTube channel. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.